It's the last day of the library, man. I'm so sad. There's so much books put up now. I come here every day just to read. I'm so sad now.
Yeah, but now you feel, man. They're all gone. We're going to a new school, new library, so hopefully it's good. But remember one thing, everyone. Life is like cake. It either rises or it falls. So
Doing a goodbye message from our beautiful office crew. Go ahead, give us your goodbye message.
I will miss all of you. How about that?
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh.
Don't trust the green tea cakes.
Okay, words of wisdom for future students: do not trust the green tea cakes. Do you have any words of wisdom you'd like to impart?
Go to prom by yourself.
Stay away from everyone. Just go to the library though.
Period.
Period. Okay.
Library is where the trusted people are.
Oh no, last day of morning crowd. Who wants to say peace out or something? Goodbye. Because this is the absolute last day for morning crowd in this building. Okay, wait a minute. Start over.
I'm graduating next year. I know how it is. 2020. 2020 right here. Yep. You already know. New school. First class graduate new school. You already know.
So they're the best. They're the best.
Right here. Nakia too. She 11th grade too. 2020.
Woo. 2020. Whoop, 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 whoop. Any words of wisdom for anybody next year?
Don't be late.
I got you.
Morning crowd. We would like to say so long, farewell, and etc. to you. Do any of you beautiful gentlemen have anything special you'd like to say?
Bye. Bye. See you guys later.
Bye, morning crowd. Last time in the library. Any words of wisdom and or etc. This is the last morning of morning crowd. No more morning crowd for you, at least in this spot.
Yeah, I need an iPhone charger.
Okay, we need iPhone chargers in the new library. Our first official video request. Any other requests for the new library?
But I need one right now. My phone.
Oh, right now. I don't know if I have one right now. I'm sorry. Wave bye. Bye. So undone. We have people on the floor here on the last day of morning crowd. People in the aisles. Say bye. Wave bye. Bye. Bye, morning crowd. Goodbye. No more morning crowd. Last morning for morning crowd. Bye. Oh, look at this. They're working. OMGs. Say bye, guys. Say goodbye. Last day of morning crowd. Say goodbye. Last day of morning crowd. Say goodbye.